Vitamins are organic compounds that are essential for the body in small amounts for proper growth, development, and overall health. They are not produced in sufficient quantities by the body, so they must be obtained from food or supplements. Types of vitamins and their sources. Vitamins are classified into two groups. 1. Fat-soluble vitamins. These vitamins are stored in the body's fat tissues and liver. They are absorbed along with fats in the diet. Vitamin A functions: vision, immune function, skin health. Sources: carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, liver, eggs, milk. Vitamin D functions: bone health, calcium absorption, immune support. Sources: sunlight exposure, fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, fortified milk, egg yolks. Vitamin E functions: antioxidant, protects cells from damage, supports immune function. Sources: nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, sunflower, safflower, spinach, broccoli. Vitamin K functions: blood clotting, bone health. Sources: leafy greens, kale, spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. 2. Water-soluble vitamins. These vitamins are not stored in the body and need to be consumed regularly. Excess is excreted in urine. Vitamin B complex, a group of 8 vitamins. 1. B1, thiamine, functions: energy metabolism, nerve function. Sources: whole grains, pork, sunflower seeds. 2. B2, riboflavin, functions: energy production, skin health. Sources: milk, eggs, almonds, spinach. 3. B3, niacin, functions: energy production, skin health. Sources: meat, fish, peanuts, whole grains. 4. B5, pantothenic acid, functions: hormone production, energy metabolism. Sources: chicken, beef, whole grains, broccoli. 5. B6, pyridoxine, functions: brain development, red blood cell production. Sources: bananas, poultry, potatoes, fortified cereals. 6. B7, biotin, functions: hair, skin, nail health, energy metabolism. Sources: eggs, nuts, whole grains. 7. B9, folate, folic acid, functions: DNA synthesis, cell division, pregnancy health. Sources: leafy greens, legumes, fortified cereals. 8. B12, cobalamin, functions: red blood cell production, nerve health. Sources: meat, fish, dairy, fortified plant-based foods. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, functions: immune support, collagen production, antioxidant. Sources: citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, kiwi. Summary: there are 13 essential vitamins: A, D, E, K, C, and the B-complex vitamins. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is the best way to ensure adequate vitamin intake.